In this video, you'll learn how to use and dispose of an NPR type Petainer keg. First of all, always follow our safety guidelines when using Petainer kegs. If you need any further advice or information, please visit our website, petainer.com. Ensure you have the correct dispensing head. The dispensing head has two connections, gas in and product out. The easiest and safest way to move a Petainer keg is to use the handholds in the sides of the box. Remember to keep the Petainer keg in its box during use. If the Petainer keg has a pressure release tool attached, leave it connected. You'll need it later. Ensure you use the correct gas at the correct tapping pressure. Remove the top of the box. Remove the protective cap. Sterilize the Petainer keg fitting and the dispensing head. Slide the dispensing head completely onto the Petainer keg fitting, then push down the handle. Dispense some product to rinse the pipework and tap. The Petainer keg can be uncoupled and recoupled during use if needed. Take care, the Petainer keg is pressurized. Lift the handle and slide off the dispensing head. Dry the fitting with a clean cloth or paper towel. Sterilize the Petainer keg fitting and the dispensing head. Slide the dispensing head completely onto the Petainer keg fitting. Then push down the handle. Dispense some product to rinse the pipework and tap. Before disposing of the Petainer keg, you need to release the pressure inside. Use the attached pressure release tool or the reusable depressurizing tool. Press the tool firmly into the Petainer keg fitting. You'll hear the pressure being released. When the noise stops, it is finished. To reduce storage space, flatten the Petainer keg. Keep 1 foot on the floor to maintain your balance, and flatten the keg with your other foot. Flatten the box. Recycle in accordance with local rules and regulations.